What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Chima and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make two-tone stack jeans, and I'm also going to be putting patches on the jeans, and I'm also going to be showing y'all how I make it. Now, before we start this video, this is going to be my first time making it. Like, I've never made this before. I'm not even using a sewing machine. I'm going to be using needle and thread, so I know it's going to be difficult. So the materials that you'll need are scissors, needle and thread, pins, and you will need patience. I know for a fact you will need patience. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment any video suggestions that you want me to do, and subscribe if you're new. Now let's get to it. So I'm getting my jeans right now. I want to remind y'all that I'm also doing patches. So yeah, and I'm just gonna cut up like the pockets and put them on my jeans. So right now I'm gonna do the stacks first. I don't want long stacks, so I'm gonna cut. So if I did, I would cut them like right here, but since I don't want long stacks, I'm gonna cut it like a little bit above the knee. Like this is the knee area, so I'm gonna cut it like here, a little bit above the knee. So now that I'm done cutting the pants, I'm gonna make sure that these are even. Yeah, these are not really that even, so I'm gonna cut it to make it even. Now that these are even, you get the pants that you want the stacks on, and I want it on my white pants. So you put the stacks, you make it inside out. You put the jeans on the inside of the stack part. You gotta make sure the ends are even, so when you sew it together, it'll actually be together and it won't look a mess. Now that I've done both, now this is where you get your needle and thread. I don't know if you can see the needle, but when you get the needle and thread, make sure you tie a lot of knots so the thread does not like fall out while you're sewing. Make sure you tie a knot at the end of the thread also. I'm gonna tie a couple knots though. After I've tied some knots at the end and some knots at the beginning, I'm going to stick the pins in so, like, you know, this doesn't mess up or anything. You see this line? You have to sew on that line. You have to sew on this line. You have to. So I'm gonna go on here on the line, and I'm gonna push the, you know, how you sew. I'm gonna push the needle into the pants, to both pants. You see the knot that we made? Stable. So from there, I'm going to go on the white part. I'm gonna push the needle in, making sure that it is on the line. And then you repeat these steps and you do it all throughout the jeans. Now I am done with the second pair of pants. When you're done, you create another knot. This is the outside and this is the inside. I don't know if you can like really see it. Okay, that's the inside. So yeah. So now that you're done, you now take the pins out too, and you flip it. You flip the pants. That's why we sewed it inside out. We flip it, and now this is how it will look like. So once you flip it, it will look like this. Now that I'm done with the stacks, now I'm gonna move along and create the patches. Now, I'm just gonna cut the pockets from these jeans and my black jeans. Alright, so I finished cutting the pockets. Now I'm gonna incorporate it onto the pants. So I definitely know that I want the pockets like below, a little bit below the front pocket. So I'm just gonna put these over here. I may use only one set. I just want to see how it will look like. So I'm just gonna sew only 2 pockets for right now, and then I'll see how it looks like with the pants on. And then if I add another part, if I add the other 2, it'll be somewhere below. So remember, before sewing, you put a knot at the end of the thread. It's just the same as we did with the stacked part of these pants. You're gonna want to sew this on the lines so it doesn't like look a whole mess. We're gonna push the needle into the pants. After we push the needle from one side to another, we're gonna go to the other side, which in this case is the white side. We're gonna go do the exact same thing. Push the needle into yeah, I probably don't think I'm gonna do the bottom part because see this? I finished the first the top part of the pocket. And now that I'm finished, remember, always remember when you are done, tie a knot so the thread won't be loose. I'm gonna start on this side. I just finished the first patch. Now I'm going to sew the other back pocket, the black one, onto here. So this is the final look. Ooh, these jeans look fire. I did not know I could do this. This is the back. This is the side. This is the other side. And this is the front. This took hours, like half of my day to make, but it was worth it. It was worth it. My hands, oh my gosh, my hands are like, they hurt so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment any suggestions you want me to make, and subscribe.